Now that I think about it, I never been in love. No, not all in a dream about it. I wonder what it was. But now I think I know it's clear to me. You made me understand. I'm so proud to say I love you. I'm so proud to be a man. Yes, I am. I promise I'll never hurt you. I'll never make you cry. No. I promise I'll never hit you, cross my heart and hope to die. 'Cause I know I'll keep you safe, I'll keep you warm, I'll keep you satisfied. I'll be your sunshine in the morning, be your everything at night. You